Shiloh Selah, here we go, learning every day, growing our hearts with love, with joy, with God above. We learn to care, we learn to share. Shiloh and Selah.
Hello, friends! Tonight, Shiloh, Selah, and the whole crew are going out for dinner. There's delicious food, a giant dessert, and plenty of fun waiting inside. But with Max and Aurora around, things might get a little crazy. Let's go!
Race you to the table!
Whoa, whoa, watch out!
Got it! I think I got it.
Whoa, what's happening over there?
Is the tray gonna fall?
Barely! That was way too close.
They're catching it!
Max, you can't race through a restaurant like that. People are carrying hot food everywhere. You could hurt someone.
You weren't paying attention.
Yeah, you're right. I wasn't paying attention at all.
That was one plate away from disaster. Max handed it back very, very carefully. At the table, Aurora spotted something she just had to see up close.
Ooh, look at that! I just want to touch it for 1 second.
Whoa, 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 whoa! Okay, bad idea.
Got you. Aurora, chairs are for sitting. They're definitely not ladders. Okay, noted. Lesson learned. Chairs stay on the floor, I stay on the chair.
Aurora got a close-up view of that decoration for exactly 2 seconds, and a much closer view of the floor than she wanted.
Whoa, that was close. Your face was so funny. I thought you were gonna fall. Good thing Daniel was there.
Waiting for the food felt like forever to Max, so he found something to do with his hands. He stacks the cups, then the bread basket, then the cutlery balanced at the top, building an increasingly tall tower.
Just one more and it'll be perfect.
Max, that thing is getting really tall and really wobbly.
Yep. Whoa, it's falling!
I told you!
Ah, watch out!
No way!
I regret that decision.
Let's just say waiting games and towers don't really mix.
Yeah, you're right. Sorry, guys.
It's okay, Max. Let's clean this up.
Got the bread.
Max's masterpiece lasted about 4 seconds. The cleanup took a lot longer. When the waiter finally arrived, everyone had something to say, especially Aurora.
Hi, I'm ready to order.
Great. What will it be?
I'll have the chicken tenders. Can I get the mac and cheese? Pasta. No? No, pasta. Wait! I want... burger. Actually, wait. No, pasta.
Okay, burger, pasta, burger again.
Aurora, can the rest of us order sometime tonight?
Oh, right, sorry, your turn.
Okay, thanks. I'll have the pasta.
Aurora had a lot of opinions about the menu. She just needed to remember she wasn't the only one at the table. Once the food arrived, Max discovered a new talent.
Nice catch! Okay, that was actually impressive.
I literally never miss.
Oh.
Okay, I guess I do miss. Sometimes. Occasionally.
2 for 2 isn't a bad record, but that third fry really ruined the streak. Still laughing about the fry, Max
And then it
gestured
went
a little
incredibly
too
high.
enthusiastically and knocked his glass right over.
Whoa, whoa, my plate! Mine too! Oh no! I got it! Here, faster if we both do it. My bad, my bad!
Okay, that was actually a pretty fast cleanup.
I'm getting really good at cleaning up my own disasters.
1 spilled glass, 4 rescued plates, and a cleanup crew that showed up fast. Not bad teamwork, actually. When the last slice of pizza landed in the middle of the table, Max and Aurora reached for it at the exact same moment.
Hey! I saw it first! No, I did! It's mine! No, it's mine! I got it first! Whoa, look at them go!
Nobody said a thing about sharing, but somehow they both landed on the same answer at the same time.
Split it?
Split it.
Dessert arrived in style. A giant sundae carried carefully across the busy restaurant floor by a very familiar face.
Watch out! Chair!
Wow. This time you saved my tray.
Yeah! I'm getting better at watching where I'm going. Yeah, you're getting much better.
1 warning, 1 dodge, and dessert made it to the table in 1 piece, with Max, of all people, to thank for it.
It's huge!
Your dessert, kids.
Anyone else want a bite? I promise I'll share this time. Wow, look who learned to share.
You did it, Max! Max, you finally learned. Yeah, this is the best Sunday ever. Told you I can't. Tonight was a little chaotic, but everyone figured things out along the way. The Bible reminds us in Philippians 2:3, do nothing out of selfish ambition, but in humility value others above yourselves. That's it. Think of others, share when you can, and even a wild dinner turns out great.
Who wants a slice? Anyone else want a bite? I promise I'll share this time.
Goodbye, friends. See you next time.
Shiloh Selah, here we go, learning every day, growing our hearts with love, with joy, with God above. We learn to care, we learn to share. Shiloh and Selah.
Subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more adventures. Click the button to subscribe and check out these videos.